What's up, Peak Timers? Today we are unboxing the 2019 Hot Wheels K case, and we have the brand new Dodge Demon inside of this one. I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get to it. This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Granatoys. Granatoys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. All right, let's go ahead and pop it on open here. Use my little X-Acto knife to open it on up. Brand new sealed case. All right, let's start right at the top right here. We've got the brand new 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. Very cool casting. We got the 64 Chevy Nova wagon. Check out that art cars. We got a diaper dragger, new color variation. Let's go ahead and see what we have up top here. We've got the Indy Oval, the red Indy Oval. We saw that previously. Really cool casting. I love the Indy Oval. And we've got the 2010 Camaro SS HWPD Hot Wheels Police and the Speed Shop Classic 55 Nomad. I think we saw most of those ones in the previous case as well. We got the Dune Daddy. We've got the 69 Dodge Charger 500. Love this color and variation of this car. And let's see what else we got up here. We've got the Volkswagen Caddy. We've seen this one previously, and this is our brand new casting. We've got the Roger Dodger 2.0. Very, very interesting. We'll open this one up in a future video, but for now, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think of the brand new casting of the Roger Dodger 2.0? Next up, we've got some Diora 2, another redone variation casting, but we did see this one in the previous case, and there's another one of the Dune Daddies. What else do we have up here? We've got the 64 Chevy Wagon Gasser, Jerry rigged Gasser. That one is quite a collectible one. A lot of people really liking that casting. And then we got the Porsche 917 LH. I didn't get this in my last case for some reason, but now we've got this one, so I'm really excited. Love this casting. Gorgeous, gorgeous looking casting. All right, we'll put that down there. And oh, I totally forgot that we were getting one of these in this case, the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo in red. I love this casting, such a great casting for this year. There's another one of the Shelby GT500 Super Snakes and a Dragon Tail. That looks like a new fantasy casting. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we have up here? We've got the Moto Wing, two of those, and we've got a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3, and we've seen this one before. Let's go ahead and see what we have down here. We've got the brand new Mazda Miata MX-5 Miata 91. I like this one. This one looks really, really cool. And what do you know? We got a zoom in recolor. That is now, I think, our fourth color variation of the Hot Wheels zoom in casting. There we go. Interesting. We got a black, we got a white, we got a green, now we've got the red. Okay, very cool, very cool. Liking that one. Only it did fit on the 6-lane race, so it would be cool, but that's okay. Dodge Challenger drift car. We got another variation of that one. We saw that one previously. Eruption, and a brand new recolor of the Corvette C7R Hot Wheels race team with the black wheels. Funny enough, I actually have an almost identical looking casting. They made one before, but this one does have definitely new and improved wheels. I like these wheels. I don't know if I've seen an all blacked out variation of those wheels, but that looks really, really good. Looking forward to opening that one up. We'll see what we have down here. Honda City Turbo 2. There's that black one. We've seen that one before. Land Rover Series 2 pickup, or Series 3 pickup, my bad. Is that a recolor? I think this is a new color variation. Not sure if we saw this one before, but that one's looking pretty cool. I like that casting. And there we have the Dodge Demon. There is the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, and this one is not the Supercharger Hunt variation. I had to do a double take on there. Looks like the standard variation of it, but wow, that's an amazing casting. Do you guys like the Demon? Love, love it. I love it, love it, love it. Drift Star, Volkswagen Keifer Racer. We saw the Keifer Racer before. Drifter, I think, is a new color variation. Hot Wheels team there, Hot Wheels racing team. All right, let's see what else we got down at the bottom. Pulling out, we've got the Dodge Charger stock car. We've got the 59 Ford F100, and there's our new color variation of the 2017 Acura NSX, another new one for this case. Like that. Great looking blue color. I'm really in love with blue colored cars as of late. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a thing that I have going on. I don't know. Hot Wheels Pursuit. There it is. I think that might be a new casting if I'm not mistaken. New color variation of the custom Ford Bronco. Like that. That's cool. It's kind of a matte black finish to it with the gold wheels. All right, we'll put that aside. We've got the Bubble-Matic. My daughter actually loves the Bubble-Matic cars. She plays with them in the bubbles and stuff. This little thing will come off and you can dip it in bubbles and blow bubbles with them. It's really nice. All right, we got the 67 Jeepster Commando. This is a new color variation. I think we did get this on the last case though. I'll put those aside. Oh, and another new casting that I was looking forward to. The 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. And we talked about this on the stream quite a few times, and we definitely want to see a recolor of this. More of a clean look to it. This is kind of a very, kind of an abstract type of paint look on there with the tampo work and all that, but I'd like to see a more cleaner variation of it. But otherwise, it's a pretty cool casting. And we got a custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT, the Golf Edition. We saw that one previously. Got another one of those. And we've got Fastmaster. There's Fastmaster, HWPD Fire Chief. There's the Fire edition of the Fastmaster. And we've got the Quick Bite. And interesting to know about this Quick Bite. This Quick Bite is now a full plastic body. All the other ones were a metal body, so they're somehow cutting corners and decided to make this one all plastic instead of all metal. It was a lot of metal because it's kind of a bigger casting, but I kind of like this casting though. It's still pretty cool. It looks really nice. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we have down here? We got the Batmobile. I think that's a new color variation of that. I don't think we've seen that one before. And then we've got the 32 Ford in gold. Like that. Gold looks really good. Gold with the black wheels and the white lip on there. All right, we'll put that one aside. What else do we have down here? We got the 68 Copo Camaro. And originally when I got this car, I thought that it was a kind of an Air, but you can see these are side by side. That's no Air. And then below that, this is not a supercharged hunt, 69 Corvette Racer. There it is. This one does come in a supercharged hunt, but this one is not the supercharged hunt variation of it. There it is. Pretty cool casting though. I like this one. And what else do we have down here? Two more of the Tesla Model 3s. We saw this one in the previous case, but I love this casting. I love the Model 3. A family member of mine actually just ordered a white Model 3, so it's kind of cool. I'm gonna give them one of these. They'll like that. All right, so we've got the 67 Jeepster Commando, another one of those. What else do we have down here? 67 Chevy C10. This is a really cool looking casting. We saw this one previously, but very nice. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. And we've got the Fast Gassin 100 octane. This is delivering the fuel for all of our races. There we go. There we go. All right. What else do we have down here? As I move the box around here, we've got Track Manga. We've got the Drifsta and another one of the Nissan 300 ZX twin turbos in red. Love that. All right, we'll put that one down. Coming down to the bottom here, we got Muscle Bound, another ones of those ones, and we've got a brand new recolor of the Bone Shaker, the most recolored casting that we've seen in the past couple years. If you guys didn't watch my other videos about that, but very cool. This is kind of like a matte gray finish to it. There we are. And at the very bottom, our last three cars, we have the Piranha Terror and Classic 55 Nomad. All right, guys, I'm actually quite surprised that there's so many good cars in the 2019 Hot Wheels K case. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.